Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to Learning with Miss Nancy. And today I have a very interesting topic for you to learn, and it's called right angles. But before we begin our lesson, I want to know, have you had your water today? No? Well, why don't you get your water so that we can sip together? I have a new bottle. Water. Get your water. Ready? Let's sip together. Ah, so refreshing. Let's take another sip together. I love it. It feels good going down. And remember to drink lots of water throughout the day because water keeps you hydrated and healthy. So today, boys and girls, we're going to learn about right angles. This is called a right angle. Can you say that word? Right angle. It's really two words, right angle. Say it, right angle. Very good. Tell the ceiling, right angle. Tell the floor, right angle. Tell the wall, right angle. Tell the door, right angle. Very good. It's called a right angle. Now look at this. Look at this image. What letter of the alphabet does the right angle resemble? Look closely. What letter? Very good. I heard you. The L shape. No matter how you turn it, it looks like an L. And the right angle is like an L shape. Now, a right angle is just that. It's an angle. It's not a shape, but it fits in various shapes. Shapes like a square, rectangle, and some triangles. Now, triangles are tricky because there's something called an obtuse triangle, acute triangle, and a right triangle. But we're not going to deal with triangles today. That's a lesson all of itself. We're just going to deal with squares and rectangles. Now, this right angle can't fit inside a circle, and we're going to find out why, okay? Now, you might say to yourself, Miss Nancy, why are we learning about right angles? I'm just a kid in preschool. Well, it's important to start exposing yourself to those types of things right now. Because when you get in formal school and your teacher starts talking about right angles, you will sit up straight and say, I know all about it. And you can add to the conversation. And it's important to know because right angles just help you understand how the world works, how things fit together. And once you're able to identify right angles in things all around you, you will have a better understanding as to what they do and how they fit. And people who draw things, they draw in right angles and they use right angles to build things. Yes, so they're everywhere. For example, here is something we call a right angle sample, right angle square. And so you can take this and put it around things around your house and see if that shape fits within the right angle square. Okay, so here is a box, just a regular box. But look, this box has, ta-da, a right angle. Look at that, all over the box. There's nothing but what? Right angles everywhere. So whoever put this box together had to know how to draw a right angle to create the box. Look at that. And here's a mailing envelope. Look. The right angle fits the mailing envelope. See? Fits right there. And then we can turn it around this way. Look. It fits right in the corner. Ha! You think it fits at the top? So whoever designed this envelope had to know about what? Right angles. See? See how wonderful it is to know and learn new things? Put this here. Right angle in your mailing envelope. Let's try a book. Here's a dictionary, one of the best tools to have in your house. Look, right angle, right on the cover. It fits. Turn it this way. So whoever created this cover had to know about what? Right angles. You think it fits on this side? Absolutely. There it is, a right angle. And here, right angles. Right angles are everywhere. They're in your windows, picture frames, awards, on your carpet on your floor, on your television, on your laptop, your computer screen, on your couch, on your chair, on your desk. Right angles on your porches. Everywhere you look, right angles, right angles, right angles. Woo-hoo! Right angles are everywhere. So now I want you to go with me as I walk around my office, and let's see if we can identify some right angles. Okay, here's a comfortable chair that I like to sit in. Let's see if there's a right angle here. Look, right angle. How about on the cushion where I sit? Look, a right angle. How about on this side? Right angle. What about my television screen? Is there an L shape? L shape? Yes. Well, let's make sure. Right angle. Good. Here's my computers. Let's try my laptop. There's an L shape, L shape, L shape upside down, L shape. Let's try my right angle square. Yep. Right angle. Right angle. Right angle. And here we are. Let me make it straight for you. Right angle. Good job. What about my son's award I have hanging in my office? Yes, right angle. Here, let's try up here. Right angle. And see, a right angle, you can just, even if you don't have the right angle square, you can just make the L shape with your fingers. See, look. Right angle. Now, boys and girls, I think we have a problem. This is a circular shaped lamp. Are we able to make a right angle here? What do you think? Can you make an L shape? Not at all. Because a right angle doesn't fit on circular shapes or shapes that have circles because it doesn't have any corners. Good job. Good thinking. Here's a clock. I love this clock. But again, can I make right angles here? Can you make any L shapes? No, because it's circular. It makes the shape of a circle. No right angles there. Here's some other shapes. What about this beautiful star? Can we make a right angle? No. Look at all the points. But we can make a right angle with this box. Look. L shape, L shape, L shape, L shape. Right angle. Good job. So boys and girls, as you can see, learning about right angles is a lot of fun because they're everywhere. And I want you to go around your house and see if you can trace the right angle shapes in your house. See if you look at the windowsill and see if you can trace the right angle shape. Look at the mirrors and see if you can trace the right angle shape, which is an L. No matter how it's upside down, as long as it makes an L shape. The carpet on your floor, your television, your laptop, your iPad, your cell phone. See if you can find right angles in your home. Happy learning. Hi, friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Learning with Miss Nancy. Thank you.